just realized that my camera's been in the wrong position the entire time, so whoopsie swoopsie. Hey y'all, I'm just having the funniest morning, but I had to take the camera out and show you like all of the wildness going on out here. I am currently tying up my peas to a post because last night we had a rainstorm, the rainstorm to end all rainstorms, and I am out here doing damage control. No way! Oh my gosh. Tell me you saw that crazy wind just come through. Like, tell me that caught on camera. Okay, so let me just clarify. We had a horrible rainstorm that almost drowned all of my plants. And so I'm out here cleaning up the damage. It's not fun. So this is what we're working with. This is the giant pea stalk that keeps trying to fall down. It's huge. I've gotten a ton of peas off of it, but because of all the crazy windstorms and rainstorms, it keeps trying to fall down. So that's my solution as of right now. That's what I'm working with. We'll see how that goes. It may or may not work. We will see. So next task is this giant mulberry tree. This mulberry tree was not this big when I moved in, but now it's a giant, and it does a whole lot of this. So, time for some cleanup. Everywhere. Just everywhere. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to put these mulberries into some type of vessel and throw them away so that they don't make a bigger mess. Well, that was 100% a fail. So I gave up on the mulberry mission because as I was picking up the mulberries, I was getting like pelted in the back with more that were falling. So I got all the tomatoes trimmed up. Not as bad as I thought. Got a little green zebra in here somewhere. There it is. And some Roma coming. So I'm pretty happy about this, minus, the damage that I had to cut off, which is over here. Guys, this pathway was all flooded last night. All of this was flooded. So the last thing that I'm going to do today is touch up my rose bushes and clean up the petals. So I'll show you right now how bad it is. Look at this. This was all underwater. Like the water was honestly up to here. You couldn't even see the celosia. And this one has the most wind damage. I'll show you. These branches are just basically like hanging off all down here. So I'm going to cut all of these off. But in good news, the sunflowers are pretty happy. Okay, I'm officially like sweating now. I've worked up quite the sweat in the last 2 hours, and I've completely given up on these rose petals as well, because as quick as I swept them up, they are now back. I mean, looks a little better than before. Definitely trimmed it up and it looks a lot happier. These rose petals are forever falling, so I just have to call it quits right now. I have to know when I've lost the battle. On the plus side, with all the rain, everything in my garden seems to be blooming at the moment. So if you'd be interested in seeing a bloom tour of everything blooming in the garden, head on to my Instagram and let me know. And until then, see you in the next one.